Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, your girl name is Naisha. Welcome to a new video. This is actually my first sit down video for 2024, and that is crazy. But if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have been pretty consistent on my channel lately. I love that for me. But anywho, today's video, I am going to be dropping you guys some gems and showing you guys everything that I carry around in my hygiene kit for wearing Invisalign. Now, if you guys do not know, I do wear Invisalign. I currently have them in right now. This is my second round of Invisalign. I think I have a good idea on what you should be doing every day while wearing Invisalign. So this is the bag that I keep everything in. It just says a wash bag because I think you're supposed to use this for, your travel hygiene kit. But hey, I already got one for that, so I use this for this. I got this on a TikTok shop if anyone's interested. I don't remember how much I paid, maybe about $5 or $6, something like that, but it wasn't much. Yeah, so this is what I carry everything in. It's big enough to carry literally a lot of more stuff in, but you really just need the basics. So first things first, this is everything. Like I said, I have so much room to put way more stuff in here, but it is what it is. If you're interested in anything that is inside, I got everything that's inside off either Amazon or your local grocery store, CVS, Walgreens, stuff like that. Okay, so first things first is I do keep a extra Invisalign case inside of my bag just in case I forgot mine at home or whatever the case may be. I dropped it, I need to clean it, whatever the case may be. I always keep a empty Invisalign case inside of my bag. Now you can buy your Invisalign cases on Amazon, and they are the real Invisalign case. Like, I got this off Amazon, and like I said, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Invisalign, so I'm assuming like these are the real thing. But yes, I always keep one in here. Next thing that I always carry with me are just toothpicks. Sometimes using floss just don't get everything that I need to get, so I always carry around these toothpicks. You can use whatever brand you prefer. It can be the genetic brand, or it can be Glad, Oral-B, whatever the case may be. Just always remember to bring some toothpicks, because I also keep floss in here. But like I said, floss don't be getting everything to me like it should, but it don't. So yeah, I always keep floss and toothpicks with me. Like, these are one and the same for me. Next thing I have is these disposable toothbrushes. Now, I bought a 100-pack off Amazon. They are supposed to already have toothpaste in them, but honestly, these don't, and I don't know why, but I bought them. I'm gonna use them. I just carry around toothpaste. So of course, carry around some toothpaste. That's like, I don't even think I need to tell you guys that, but in case I did, carry around toothpaste. And like I said, I got these 100 packs off Amazon, and they're supposed to have toothpaste already when you wet it, but these don't for some reason, and I'm still going to use them. And yeah, once I'm finished, I just throw them away. And like I said, I have a 100 pack. When I get low, I just order some more off Amazon. And if you're interested in getting you some, then just check the description box. I will link it. Okay, the next thing I had to show you guys is this portable wash flosser. Did I say that right? It's this portable water flosser. Like, y'all, this would be your best friend. It does come with a carry case that you can carry it around in, and it is rechargeable, so it has a charger. I just keep my charger in here just in case that I got a charger, but it literally holds a charge forever. But yeah, this will be your best friend. We all know water flossers, we need it. The food gets in our gums and our cheeks and all that other stuff, at least in me, because I like to chew my food to its itty bitty pieces, and then I swallow it. So I be having food everywhere. I need a water flosser every time, so I carry around this. Now this one, I keep the extra flossers in here, but it has different end pieces that you can use. It literally comes with 3 other end pieces. Like I said, I keep them all in here. I just use this one. Oh, 4 other ones. So it has that spoon one. It has the regular water flosser. And yeah. And I just keep them in here. So for a bonus item, I want to show you guys my spa. Oh my goodness, that's so a tongue twister for me. But my spa Invisalign cleaner. So you just put water into the machine. It has a minimum and max line. Once you turn it on, it will brighten up with the Smile Direct Club. I believe that's what it's saying. You will put your Invisalign in. After you put your water in, all that good stuff, you will turn it on. It will run for about 10 minutes using UV light to clean your Invisalign from bacteria. And then once it's done, you will take it out, rinse it off, and you can proceed to put it in your mouth. I absolutely love this device, so I definitely recommend. Definitely think this item is a 10 out of 10. So that's all for today's video. Like I said, if you wear Invisalign or even if you wear braces, hopefully you will be able to use all the items that I showed you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed that bonus item that I showed you guys. That will definitely be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. So make sure you check it out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.